Basically your hook, your message, and your offer. Very important in any businesses. What up guys, it's Vico here, your very own GoHilevel Ninja. In the next 6 to 7 minutes, we're going to show you how to actually effectively craft attractive hook and message when it comes to your target audience. Now, this is very important if you're just starting out as a digital marketing agency. It's very important that you actually have an effective message to differentiate yourself in this competitive marketplace. And if you stick till the end, we're going to give you the exact copy and paste Google slide so you can actually take away and actually use it for your own business. So we're going to go through what exactly it is, the component behind it, the structure behind it, and we're going to give you some example to take home from this. So let's get started. What is it? Like mentioned before, the help one-liner is basically your hook, your message, and your offer. Very important in any businesses. The component behind it. So number one, you need to understand your audience. Who are we talking to? Their desired outcome, what do they want? Their pain point, what don't they want? And tangible value. This is basically a definite number. Basically it's a promise, a number of date or number of appointment, such and such. We're gonna show you an example of this afterward. And lastly, which is your vehicle, your how. How can you help them achieve that promise? So before we go on further, I want you to pause this video and take a piece of paper and answer all of these 5 points about your business in detail. Do not continue if you don't have a clear answer or detailed answer about all of these 5 points. So pause this video right now and answer the question. Alright, so let's get to the structure. Remember, the structure I'm about to give you out here is very flexible. You can add, minus, adjust, tweak, or shuffle them around. But keep in mind, the structure will give you a baseline so you can work from it. So it's basically go like, we help audience like yourself get to desired outcome without pain point by vehicle intangible value. It might sound confusing right now, but I'm going to show you an example in a second. Okay, so let me just break that down real quick, right? So audience is your niche market. So we help such and such like yourself get to a desired outcome without pain point by vehicle intangible value. And this is the example. So remember, this structure, this example does not include vehicle. So I just want to show you the flexibility of it. You don't have to include everything. We help new mothers like yourself lose 5 to 10 kilos from home without having to go on a diet. So let me just break that down real quick. So this is your audience. This is your niche market. So whoever writing this would be a PT or work in the weight loss industry. So this is their desired outcome. Obviously, we know our market, right? We know that our ideal audience pretty much gain a few pounds or a few kilos after having their first baby, and we craft the message according to their ideal outcome, and we chuck that word here from home. So obviously, anyone who have given birth to a baby, they're gonna be staying home, at home for the first couple of months to look after the newborn, right? So when you say lose 5 to 10 kilos from home, it's very ideal to them. That's their desired outcome, and that's their pain point, right? They don't want to go into a diet. They don't want to be eating broccoli or cabbage every day, right? And so is everyone. And we give them a tangible value. When we put a number or time frame or definite number time frame on anything, it's gonna feel more realistic, feel more tangible, right? So again, this example do not include vehicle, and it still makes sense. It's still fine. It still works. It's still catchy. It still attract your audience. So that's what I mean by flexibility. So if anyone who have not known me yet, my name is Vico Khang from Vico Online Consultant. I run a multi-six-figure marketing agency that serves real estate agents in Australia and New Zealand to get more listing and be more profitable in their business. At the same time, we also an official GoHighlevel partner. We have actually onboarded 200 plus agency owner onto the software at this time of recording. So if you haven't got an account yet, make sure that you actually click the link on the description to make sure that you are actually using our affiliate link to get an account to get that bonus extension when it comes to their free trial. So you're going to get a 30-day free trial when you're actually using our affiliate link. Highlevel itself is originally offer a 14-day free trial, but because we are an official partner with them, you are actually getting the benefit of the 30-day extension when it comes to the free trial, as well as qualify for our bonus gift and our snapshot. If you want to know more detail about the bonus gift and the help and the support, the snapshot that we actually offer for new user, as you know, aka new affiliate that join Highlevel through us, make sure that you also check the link in the description as well. Without further ado, let's get on to the video. So go to the next example. We help jewelers like yourself get 20 to 30 remodel and design appointments by using our proven automated AI booking system. So again, our ideal audience, which is our market, and this is the tangible value, 20 to 30. When you put a number and a definite value in the sentence, it just make it feel more tangible, okay? And that's their desired outcome. They want to get more work, they want to get more appointment, they want to get more jobs, okay? And next part is using our vehicle by using our proven automated AI booking system, right? So this example do not have pain point, but it still works, it's still catchy, it still attracts the right people. So hopefully you understand and you know by now. So where to use the one helpliner? Use it every time and everywhere, in your ad copy, in your script, in your headline, everywhere, because that's what, you know, that's going to be the one thing that can be attracting your ideal client and your ideal customer. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just let us know. Hey guys, if you enjoy watching the video, make sure that you are also checking out this content right there.